All right, so I'm gonna be demonstrating how to make sweet potato fries. So obviously, first and foremost is you need sweet potato. So as you can see, I already cut off the ends of this because I screwed up the first video because I couldn't actually cut through it. So make sure your knife is sharp enough. So as we're doing this, let's make sure we cut it in half. Now that we got our chopped up sweet potatoes, we want to get the pan set up. So we're gonna literally spray the entire pan with avocado oil. Next, we're gonna dump them in there. Voila. Spread them out. And then we're gonna cover these complete with avocado oil as well. All right, then we're just gonna put some sea salt. All right, we're gonna do about 1.5 to 2, I'd say about 1.5 teaspoons of ground garlic. I just like to put a little bit on there. A little bit of chili powder. Again, about 1 teaspoon. All right, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. And then just a dash of coriander seed. Coriander, now you can talk. All right, you wanna make sure that your oven is set to 425 degrees. We're gonna put it in there for 10 minutes. All right, we're gonna pull it out, and voila. Let's give this a taste. Ooh, hot. Oh, so damn good.